This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Nicotex Paan Flavour sugar-free gums 4 mg tablet is a nicotine replacement therapy designed to support individuals in quitting smoking. It helps reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms effectively. Indications and uses. This product is primarily indicated for individuals who are looking to quit smoking. It aids in managing withdrawal symptoms and cravings that occur when trying to reduce or stop tobacco use. By providing a controlled dose of nicotine, it helps smooth the transition away from cigarettes, making it easier for users to break the habit. How it works. The product functions as a nicotine replacement therapy by supplying the body with nicotine, which helps to curb cravings and reduce withdrawal symptoms when quitting smoking. Directions for use. To use this product, chew it slowly until the flavor intensifies. Afterward, rest the gum between your gums and cheeks for a short duration before chewing again. This process should be repeated for at least 30 minutes or until the taste diminishes. It's crucial not to chew continuously or swallow the gum to avoid rapid nicotine release, which may lead to throat irritation or stomach discomfort. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include mouth ulceration, hiccups, nausea, and increased salivation. If any adverse effects worsen or persist, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional. Precautions and warnings. Prior to using this product, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider, especially for individuals with heart, liver, or kidney problems. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should also seek medical advice before use. It is contraindicated for those with known allergies to nicotine and is not recommended for children under 12. FAQs. 1. Is this product harmful? No, it is considered a safe alternative to smoking. 2. Can it cause cancer? No, there is no evidence linking its use to cancer. 3. What are the side effects? Common side effects include mouth ulceration, nausea, and headache. 4. Can pregnant women use it? It should only be used after consulting a doctor. 5. How should it be used? Chew it slowly and follow the doctor's instructions. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.